Oh, good morning, you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Anyways, babe, so I need some coffee. I really do. I really do. Like, I know in here it's really dark, but it's been raining for the last couple of weeks. I would say going on for 2 weeks it's been raining. Oh, yeah, much better. So I'm gonna make me some coffee if there's sugar here, because the last time I checked there was no sugar here. But yeah, I'll be so fucking pissed. It's boiled by sugar. Bitch. So there's no sugar here. So what we're gonna have to do is just coffee and creamer this morning, okay? Because I really want some coffee. I haven't had coffee in a few days, so that's what we're about to do. Make some coffee real quick. Okay, babe. So whilst my coffee is on, I'm just gonna go and wash up these dishes, or at least set the water to wash them up after I finish drinking my coffee, because I need some strength. Yeah. Girl, listen to me. Like I had to go. Like this morning, I had to really pray, because I've really been asking for guidance over my life and stuff like that. Because, girl, sometimes I really hate being here. Like I hate being on this planet. Sometimes I ask myself, I be like, what the fuck am I here for? Because things I don't enjoy really being here. Not to say that I want to die or anything like that, but I really don't understand it. Like, what the fuck is my purpose? Why am I here? What the fuck am I doing here? Why is it taking me so long? Like, I don't know, girl. Like, I have a lot of questions. And the only thing that I'm really interested in is not doing me justice, really. It's like, but anyways, let me start doing these dishes real quick. Bitch. And they say I cannot cook. They say I can't cook. Wait, broccoli is served. I trying to be right though. I trying to be right, yeah.
So stupid, they called me. You can see I've been online for so long.
You gonna try and make a salad?
And the day after, all they could do is call. They might have been calling me.
Hey, motherfuckers. Okay, let me stop playing. Anyways, babe, so it's later on in the afternoon. It's around after 7 or 6 o'clock. But anyways, so I've tried to fix up myself a little bit. Put on a wig. Try to look a little cute for when Zaddy got back home. But his ass done pissed me off. He done pissed me off. I don't like that. I really don't. But anyways, babe, so I'm just gonna cut up some mango and put some salt and pepper and shit on that and eat that. Yeah. Yummy. Okay, babes. I'm about to dive in. Play my mask. Then I'm about to dive in. My hand is bleeding. Good morning. Anyways, babe, so hold on. It's the next day. It is the next day. Like, I normally don't do this. Bitch, I don't do this at all. Like, I really don't do this. The only way I do this is on vacation. Like, I'm out the country. But baby, this morning, like, I really don't give a fuck. I'm on vacation, bitch. Did I told you guys it's the next day? It's the next motherfucking day. Anyways, I'm about to tell me something to drink. It's 11 o'clock in the morning, and I really don't give a shit. Like, yeah. About to tell me a bear. If my man catch me doing that, opening bear my teeth, oh my god, you're such a ghetto bitch. He will tell me that for real. I'm telling you. Anyways, yeah. I don't know. I just feel like I'm wasted today. Like, I cannot wait for this part of my life to be over with. I'm telling you, like, I cannot wait. I just want to be happy again, bitch. One of my supporters said that I might be going through a spiritual awakening, and anyways, like I was saying before I was interrupted, like I was saying, yeah, I think I'm going through a spiritual awakening. I figured that out like a couple months ago, and if it is so, like, I just want it to be over with. And this woman was speaking about it, and she was talking about how sometimes it takes years to go through the stages, and I'm like, what? I feel like I'm going through a midlife crisis. Like, I just can't take this no more. Like, this is crazy, yo. Oh, God. Hey, babes. What is up? Anyway, so I'm finally back home. It's the next day, by the way. Yeah, I couldn't even remember how my room even looked. That's how long. I was gone for 2 weeks. So, yeah. Now I got this messy ass room to deal with, because you know how it is, you dig up trying to find clothes and things. But anyways, guys, let me show you my room. My room is a hot mess. Look at my bed. I think I'm going to change these sheets as well. First, let's unpack. Yeah, first thing first, let's unpack these bags and my basket. because I don't know if I told you guys, but I went to the laundry. I went to the laundromat and never came back home after that. Like I had my whole basket by him, and so I had clothes for the last me like for a very very long time. Okay, and we were supposed to go to the laundromat today, but no. So anyways. So now we have to take all of these off my bed and put these back in their rightful place. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. So my little drawer thing over there definitely has to be fixed, alright? Yes. Because things are all piled up. I have to wash this towel. Okay. Things are all thrown down and out of place. So, yeah. And you guys, hold on, let me say something before I finish from little mini break, okay? Let's just say this, all right? So I decided as from yesterday that I'm gonna be working back on my speech. Because girl, let me tell you, I fall off big time. Like when I speak, I want people to understand me. I want it to be clear. Things that are in my mind. I don't know, like for some reason I'm kind of obsessed with speaking like like I don't know, like every time like I listen to somebody else speak and the way they bring forth their words and how they speak and how they, you know, they speak with confidence, they know what they are saying, like I want to be like that. I always admire that, but I always thought that, you know, you have to be born with that, like you have to be gifted with that. Baby, listen, I'm not gifted with it, but there's nothing you cannot do in this world, okay? Practice makes perfect, okay? And like I said, I'm just doing me. Like, I don't care what nobody has to say. But yeah, that's what I want to say. But yeah, let me get back into cleaning. So these are my clean clothes, right? We're going to take these out of the basket because I need this for my dirty clothes. So yeah, these are all the stuff I had by my boyfriend. Like I really don't, oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna go into details about nothing, but yeah, let's just remove everything out of here. It's like it was like I was out of town. Gosh. Anyways, so babes, I decided to just cut it short because I have a lot of things to do inside this room and my little tripod thingy is not working, so it's gonna be really hard for me to find spots to put my camera up on so you guys can see. So yeah, I'm just gonna end it here, girl. Like, so I guess I'll see you guys in the morning, or I'm just gonna end this vlog here. I'm back home. I don't know for how long, probably forever, because the way things are looking, uh, but anyways, I'll save that for the next video. So bye.